Yo, what's good everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about gross beat. So I was working on this beat right here and it just reminded me how much sauce Trip on gross beat is. The slow triplet. I call it Trip, but it's the slow triplet preset on gross beat. So much sauce, alright? So let me show you. So I have this beat right here. I have this part right here that has none of those effects. Nice little part here, but then it breaks down and it goes into this love filter, but it ends up also going into this trip effect. So let me show you just this whole drop here. The change and the sauce you can get with gross beat is insane. See that? If we take the trip and the love filter off, this sounds nowhere near that. A little bit, but seriously, those two add so much sauce together. That's all this video is do not be sleeping on gross beat's slow triplet. If you don't know where the slow triplet is, I'm about to show you. When you pull up gross beat here, pull it up, you'll go over to the presets tab and then go until you see the momentary tab, alright? And then it's got slow triplet, half speed. It's got some vinyl on and off stuff, some reverse. This is probably the best bank in all of gross beat, but gross beat has so much sauce. Don't just be using this bank and sleeping on all the other ones. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.